Wait, am I still here? Oo nga pala. Another follow-up. Another round.
There, all done, Mika. Kindly open your eyes na.
Really, Doc? Tapos na agad?
Yes, tapos na. You're very calm today. Just continue your meds and don't forget to update us on you. Take your time, no rush. Ingat ka sa labas, ha? Sige, I'll update you.
Puro na lang tanong. Puro alala. Pero wala akong sagot na bago. The city is so loud. Pero minsan mas tahimik pa to kesa sa utak ko. Bawat araw, gising, inom ng gamot, check up, uwi. Paulit-ulit na lang. Pero dito, kahit papaano, parang may konting pahinga. Napapatanong tuloy ako, may buhay pa bang naghihintay sa akin na di lang tungkol sa paggaling?
Miss, kita gusto mag-check yung kanya namin. Lang naman ang buhay ay, gusto niyo po i-check yung kanya namin ng at saka enjoyable naman po.
Ingay naman? I mean, I've got nothing better to do. I might as well give it a try. An art exhibit? Not really my thing. Kaso, libre naman, tas tahimik pa. Maybe here, I'll be able to feel a sense of calmness.
Hello, Miss. We are all doing a free tour around the art exhibit today. There aren't many people today, so you can decide where you'd like to go first. You can start in gallery A or start in whichever gallery you like.
Oh, thanks.
I can tell you're a bit lost. First time mo ba dito, Miss?
Yeah, I just saw a girl handing out flyers outside to people. I didn't really plan to come in. Kailangan ko lang talaga ng katahimikan.
You seem like a guy who overthinks a lot. It's good you ended up in a place like this. Looking at art can be really relaxing for some people, you know? I'm Miguel, by the way. Dito ako nagtatrabaho. Pero may oras ako, nagbibinta ako ng mga bulaklak sa park na malapit dito. This might be weird to say, but I'm really glad we were able to meet. I've never had this much fun until I met you, so I'm truly grateful for you.
I can say the same thing about you. Ever since nakilala kita, tumahimik ng konti yung utak ko. Naririnig ko na ang ating mga thoughts ko, ganun.
Galing talaga ng timing, no? Who would have thought bumping into you during my shift at the art gallery could blossom into such a great friendship between us. It's almost as if it was fate.
Maybe it was.
So, kamusta na pala yung work life mo?
Honestly, nakakasakal. Every day just feels the same. Parang rewind lang ng rewind.
Hoy, ano ba? Huwag ka nga ganyan. You're lucky, you know? You have your own routine. You follow every day. You get to those places. You're able to feel.
What do you mean?
Wala lang. I just wonder sometimes. Ano kaya yung pakiramdam ng totoong buhay?
Ang drama mo naman, ano ba? Parang ngayon ka lang nabuhayan. Ito talaga yung buhay natin, oh. Ba't mo ba yun nasabihan? Pwede naman natin intindihan. Together.
Baka gawa ka lang ng utak mo. Maybe you're the only one who's alive.
So, how's life? Okay, nothing much. You sure? No, parang mas magaan. Like, Tita, ano ba?